Git cherry-pick genuinely copies one specific real commit from another branch without merging that branch's entire history. In this video, you'll cherry-pick a real single bug fix. This real command finds the exact genuine commit hash you want to copy from a branch you don't want to fully merge. This real command applies only that one genuine commit onto main. None of feature branch's other unfinished commits come along. Git cherry-pick genuinely copies one specific commit onto the current branch. It applies only that real commit, not the rest of the source branch's history. This is the real right tool for grabbing one urgent fix without a full merge. Cherry-pick one real commit from a branch onto main without merging the whole branch. Ready to host a real, live website for free directly from your repo.